Hello students, welcome to your class. So earlier we have discussed about tournament, importance of tournaments, and briefly I have told you about tournaments and mainly four types. So today we will be discussing about league tournament, types of tournament, knockout tournament, league come round robin, combination and challenge. Okay? I'll be explaining about these four tournaments. Okay? So we'll be starting with knockout. I told you briefly also, same thing is given. Ki what is knockout tournament? Knockout tournaments means the once the team is defeated does not get another chance to represent or play. Suppose I'll give you example. देखो आप बना रहे हैं 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ठीक है जी? I am giving you example of knockout tournament. I have given numbers. You can give them Moga, Faridkot, Firozpur, Gurdaspur, Mohali, Patiala, Mansa, Bathinda. ठीक है जी? And there will be match between 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. ठीक? Then out of them 2 has won the match, 4, 5 to 7. Then there will be again match 4, 5, then 5 is the winner. Means in both these matches, one has lost the match, 2 has gone ahead, 3 or 4 the match, 3 has lost the match, 4 has gone. फिर एक मीन्स जो हार गया वो घर गया कि वो दोबारा तो चांस नहीं मिल सकता उन्होंने खेडन का जो हारी जाते हैं वो घर चल जाते थे रात नाल ठीक है जी so no second opportunity is given to defeated team in this fastest method to know about the winner team is within no time you can complete the tournament within no time it's a very easy tournament ठीक है so now we'll be discussing about advantages of knockout tournaments advantages what are the advantages of if you are organizing this knockout tournament? Knockout tournament are very cheap and best tournaments. Though some disadvantage they are having, but if you want to organize good tournament within less time, it's a very good tournament. So advantages are given. Like first is economical. Suppose there are 8 teams. ठीक है जी 8 teams, and you are having 2 grounds. ठीक है at 10 o'clock you have kept this at 10 a.m. ठीक है then second ground of this one you have kept at 10 a.m. 2 मैच चल गए इको टाइम 11 o'clock ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੇ 11:30 ਲਾ ਲਓ ठीक है जी शाम ਨੂੰ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਸੈਕੰਡ ਮੈਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆ ਅੱਗੇ ਜਿੱਤ ਕੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਚਲੇ ਗਏ ठीक है जी शाम ਨੂੰ 2 ਵਜੇ 3 ਵਜੇ 4 ਵਜੇ ਲਾ ਲਓ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਬੈਸਟ ਰਿਕਵਰੀ ਟਾਈਮ ਇਜ਼ ਗਿਵਨ 11-12 ਵਜੇ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ 5 ਘੰਟੇ ਦੇਤੇ ਵੀ ਹੈਵ ਗਿਵਨ 5 hours to them for recovery then 5 o'clock 5 pm और 4 pm ਲਾ ਲਓ 4 pm ਦੋਨੋਂ ਗਰਾਊਂਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗਰਾਊਂਡ ਨੰਬਰ 1 ਗਰਾਊਂਡ ਨੰਬਰ 2 4 pm ਤੇ ਫਾਈਨਲ ਅਗਲੇ ਦਿਨ ਸਵੇਰੇ 10 ਵਜੇ 11 ਵਜੇ ਇਨ ਫਰੰਟ ਆਫ ਚੀਫ ਗੈਸਟ ਤੇ ਫਾਈਨਲ ਅਗਲੇ ਦਿਨ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਡੇ दो दिन च टूर्नामेंट खत्म IPL देखो कितना चल महीना चलता रहता 8 टीम्स ही होंगी दिस इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ कि 2 दिन रोटी पानी भी 2 दिन ही देनी पई इन्हां अदरवाइज जे 10 दिन इत्थे बैठे रहणगे यू हैव टू गिव फूड एंड अकोमोडेशन टू दिस 10 team for 10 days next is enhancing standard of competition means these team will try to best and show their full spirit and full confidence to win the match क्योंकि जे हार जाएंगे तो फिर तो they'll go home so they try to give their the best जिन्नी जान है लाएंगे so that they should win the tournament next is save time automatically I have told you that this will save time देखो एक दिन 2 दिन दूसरे दिन तो हो ही गया first day we have completed these matches and next day the final is there within 2 days we have completed the tournament next is less officials are required 2-4 officials are वही team ਇੱਥੇ मैच कर रहा वही ਇੱਥੇ कर रहा वही ਇੱਥੇ कर रहा वही ਇੱਥੇ कर रहा Same officials are required in different fields. ठीक है जी. Next is disadvantage of knockout tournament. Sometimes good teams are eliminated in first and second round. India ਨਾਲ ਹੋਇਆ ਵਰਲਡ ਕੱਪ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਦੇ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਮੈਚ ਹੀ ਹਾਰ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਸੀ. They lost their first match to Bangladesh. ਫਿਰ ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਰਿਵਾਈਵ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ. So it might happen that sometimes good teams loses the match. तो उधर पर लोग वेखन नहीं आते. अगला कहते यार चंगी टीम तो हार गई. What's the need of watching these games? ठीक है. There are chances of weak teams to enter the final round. Sometimes weak teams ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਤੁੱਕਾ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਂਦਾ. ਇੱਕ ਗੋਲ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਸਾਰਾ ਟੀਮ ਸਾਰੇ 90 ਦੇ 90 ਮਿੰਟ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਥਾ. They were not able to that equal that goal for a whole 90 minutes of football match. So sometimes this low cadre teams go in the finals. Third point, spectators may not have interest in final match. Sometimes if good teams does not reaches to the finals, so spectators don't give that much of spirit, show don't much spirit. They don't go and watch the game. और कहता अपना की suppose Argentina is England is hosting the tournament or World Cup and England team is not there in the competition final tour, then there will be less chance कि spectators घट आते हैं. अगला छड्डो यार अपनी टीम तो है नहीं. ठीक है जी. So this is the basically disadvantages of knockout tournament. Next is league. Next is league and round. What is league tournament? I told you that knockout means the team which is get defeated does not get another chance to play. In league, I have briefly told you earlier also that the teams keep on playing with each other irrespective of defeat or win. जिवें IPL है, मैं तुहानूं दसदा कि द्वार तो खेडी जांदे. They play with each other, all 8 teams in the tournament. Number 1 team play with, so there's a different formula for that. So I'll be explaining this thing in that topic. ठीक है. So there are 2 types of leagues, single and double league. IPL double league है बेटे. Single league तक एक बारी खेड के ठीक है. Double league है 2 बारी खेडते हैं. Teams keep on playing. दोबारा तो फिर खेडते वही बात. ठीक है. So advantage. What are the advantages of league tournament? Means either which are best teams get benefited. You might have seen that Mumbai Indians lost their 3 matches out of 8. There were 8 teams. So Mumbai Indians, they lost first 3 matches. So someone thought that but they won all next matches. सारे मैच छड्ड के वो फाइनल्स पहुंच जाते हैं. मतलब कि दे आर कंसिडर्ड टू बी द विनर्स. ठीक है, क्योंकि वो सारे मैच जित गए उस तो बाद लीग चल रहे. ठीक है जी. So best team benefit in tournament, the one strong team get victory in the tournament. ਜਿਹੜੀ strong है, ਜਿਹੜੀ pressure चल सकती है, those who can play for 10 days कि आज खेल लिया फिर आ गया, pressure ही कोई नहीं. The sometimes team loses, मैं नहीं यार हार गए यार नहीं यार I won't be playing नहीं. फिर they come and sometimes good teams come and start showing their best at after losing 2-3 matches. ठीक है जी. Equal opportunity. देखो जी knockout ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ I told you that the team ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹਾਰ ਗਈ ਉਹ they go home, but in this you get equal opportunity. ਜਿੰਨੀ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਖੇਡ ਲਓ. ਦੇਖੋ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਖੇਡਿਆ, ਦੂਜੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਦੂਜੀ ਟੀਮ ਨਾਲ ਖੇਡਿਆ, ਤੀਜੀ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਤਾਂ ਟੀਮ ਹੋ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਰਾ ਸਕੋ. If you have a pure weak team, then no one can save you in from this tournament. Best talent selected. देखो जी कई बार अगला कहना था that person has played very good in that match. ਦੂਜੇ ਮੈਚ ਤੋਂ ਚੱਲੇ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ. ठीक है, जिवें आप लाइए युवराज सिंह है, सपोज पहले मैच चो चले नहीं, दूजे मैच वाला कहता यार कुछ नहीं, पर लगातार ही खेल रहा. वो आउट ऑफ 10 मैचेस इफ ही हैज स्कोर्ड 5 सेंचुरीज 6 सेंचुरीज, कहना देखो जी बेस्ट टैलेंटेड लिया था कि यंग प्लेयर भी इंडियन टीम शामिल हो जाते हैं ड्यू टू दिस लीग टूर्नामेंट, बिकॉज दे कीप ऑन शोइंग देयर वर्थ कि असी वी आर द बेस्ट. नेक्स्ट इज नो नीड टू वेट. Team has no need to wait to win over other team for playing match, क्योंकि उन्होंने वेट नहीं करनी पैंदी. they keep on playing the matches only. उन्होंने सिर्फ अपनी लीग दे मैच खेडी जाने हैं तो winner will be deciding automatically. ठीक है. Sufficient time to perform. Large number of opportunity available for the players to improve their performance. I gave you this example also कि Mumbai Indians lost their first 3 matches. but they were having 5 matches pending. So they have played those 5 matches with full spirit and dedication, and they have won that tournament, IPL. So disadvantage of tournament. First is time consuming. It's a very time consuming tournament. Meena, डेढ़ महीना चलता रहता. It's a very long tournament. Next is expensive. Means if that tournament goes for 1.5 months, you need a lot of money. IPL च बेटे 20,000 crore रुपया लगता है. 20,000 crore, 20,000 crore. Can you? They are given 5-star accommodation, security, ground maintenance, everything. They have to pay to Punjab. The government also, they have to play to Karnataka, where organizers are organizing the tournaments. उत्थे दी teams ਨੂੰ पैसे देने ਪੈਂਦੇ ਆ. Suppose you are asking for security for Punjab government, you have to deposit money as how many days there, how many players, how many security guards to be, policemen to be deployed. तो उन्हें तनख्वाह दे हिसाब नाल they have to give money. So it's a very expensive tournament. Requires more sources. Means you need different types of grounds. किन्ने ground चाहिए? देखो IPL कितना बड़ा. Resources ही बहुत चाहिए. हर बारी एक को कैमरा चक्या दूजे पासे, दूजो कैमरा चक्या तीजे पासे. They keep on doing these types of things. है नहीं कोई 10 kits होंगी. हाँ 2-3 जरूर होंगी. But बहुत बड़ा infrastructure होता है. Live matches दिखाना बहुत. There are 20-30 cameras installed in whole stadium. Different angles, different styles, umpires and all that. ठीक है जी. So next is as more matches played, more injuries are played. देखो monotonous mind आ गया. तुसी आज भी खेडे after 2 days again you have to play, third day then you have to play. तो बंदा थक जाता नाले अक जाता. There might be injury की यार overstretch हो गए मेरे muscles, मेरे legs, मेरे thighs, मेरे बाँ, bowling ही करी जानी. They get chances of injuries also. ठीक है जी. So as more matches are played, more injuries are done. I have told you this thing also. ठीक है जी. Next is combination tournament. It is written in your book. There knockout come knock, league come league, knockout come league, league come knockout. So there are different types of tournament. It's a part of the first knockout is played, league is played, then knockout is played. In Punjab government this tournament, knockout league come knockout is played. Sometimes knockout come league is played. ठीक है जी. I'll give you example of this. I'll rub this. बच्चे I'll give you perfect example of combination tournament. Perfect example. See, in last Football World Cup, how many teams represented? 32. ठीक है जी. If we go for the World Cup had gone for more than 1 month. 1 month तो ज़्यादा होता है फुटबॉल का वर्ल्ड कप. फुटबॉल मैच फुटबॉल. You can check internet also. 32 teams represented with each other in that tournament. So how they are organizing this tournament? I'll let you know. They have distributed beta all these 32 teams into 8 pools. मतलब group A 1, group 2, pools कह देने हैं, pool लिख देने, pool 1, pool 2, pool 3, pool 4, pool 5, pool 6, pool 7, pool 8. They have distributed 32 teams into 8 pools. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These were the 8 pools. बेटे देखो. Listen it to दोबारा तो recording करके वापस सुन सकते हो, ध्यान ना सुनो. I have explained you in league tournament also. I have covered that topic of yours. कि there is one formula. Suppose इन्हां सारा का मैच कराना हो 32 टीम्स का, देयर इज वन फार्मूला फॉर लीग टूर्नामेंट। देखो इस तरह का फार्मूला, n मीन्स नंबर ऑफ टीम्स। देखो कितनी वड्डी एग्जाम्पल है। सपोज आप 32 टीम्स का मैच कराना हो, 32 इंटू 31/2। बेटे मैं सही कैलकुलेशन मैंने याद नहीं, पर 496 मैचेस बन सकते हैं। जिन्ने दोज हैव सीन माई वीडियो ऑफ लीग टूर्नामेंट दे विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग। दोज हैव सीन माई वीडियोस जिन्हें लीग टूर्नामेंट का फार्मूला किया, 496 मैच बनते हैं। 496 ਤੇ 496 मैचेस 6 महीने मुकते नहीं। इट विल टेक नियरली अबाउट 6 months to complete this 496 matches. So what they have done, formula is same bete, formula is same, they have implemented into all pools। देखो उन्होंने क्या किया, 4 into 3/2 कि हरेक ते फार्मूला लाता 1 2 3 4। they have implemented that formula in all 8 groups। ठीक है, pools जिवें आ इंडिया, USA, कैनेडा, पोर्चुगल, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, डिफरेंट टीम्स आर देयर। ठीक है जी, इजराइल, सेनेगल, इजिप्ट, जो भी है। सो what has so many matches there will be there in this? ठीक है, 12, it will be 6 matches। 6 matches। 6 matches will be played in each, and best teams जिन्होंने एक दूसरे ने खेले, they will be competing with each other through league tournament। ये इधर नाल खेडू, ये इधर नाल खेडू, देख लो, मैं तुम्हें have explained you in that fixtures also। So there will be 6 matches, 6 8s are 48 matches in first round। पहले राउंड्स दे विच इन्हां दे that is called league tournament will be there, and there will then किन्ने मैच जिते, how many matches they have won, how many they have lost, the points are given। if USA has won one match, they are given point tally, you might have seen। then best 2 teams are selected। देखो I'm going to rub this, don't get confused। best 2 teams of each pool are being taken out। जिन्हों ने those who have won maximum matches, and they are above the point tally, they are topping the charts of point tally of their pool। ठीक है जी, so I'll be rubbing this। Now picture will be more clear to you। how many pools were there? 8, and we have taken out 2 best teams from each pool। ठीक है, then it is called what? knockout। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12। sorry man, let me just draw it। There are 16 teams now left। we have देखो लिखा P1 P2 P3 might be feasible। we have selected these 2 teams from each pool। ठीक है जी, and you have seen that knockout tournament also जेड़ा आपा पढ़ाया, ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ different Australia, USA, Canada, you can name anyone। ठीक है, फिर 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 and 16। same again 4 8 12 14 8 12 12। this is the winner। this was league come knockout. I have given you best example of league come knockout tournament, and this is the winner. ठीक है, I'll write it again. Winner of World Cup. ठीक है, and 8 number will be second. So this is league come knockout. Sometimes they go for knockouts. ठीक है, in Punjab government, Punjab state, when we represent, when they do same thing, I'll explain. कि suppose there are 16 teams, they are representing. पहला मैच खेलिया, आ कर लिया, तो जिन्हें बस 4 teams रह गई है ना. Suppose these 4 teams are left. In league come, this was league come knockout. In knockout come league. ठीक है, then these 4 teams are left. These 4, 8, 12, 14. Then they play in league tournament. Super League क्या है? Super League. They'll be competing with each other with the league. जेड़ा formula मैं तुम दस्या जिन्हें वो league tournament तुम दस्या. So that winner can be decided. So this was league tournament. So hope you might have understood this. This was combination tournament. ठीक है जी. So I have given, and last one, which is not mentioned in your book because it is written. I'll let you know. I've explained you briefly also. That is called challenge tournament. Let me just rub this. Then you'll be. Then this is ladder tournament. This is challenge tournament. It is also ladder tournament. Challenge tournament means there are many tournaments organized by associations, so that any player who wants to increase his ranking, improve his ranking, that is called challenge tournament. This is called ladder tournament. Ladder means body. Suppose you are number 1, 2 number पे मैं या 3 ते 4 ते या 5 ते. ठीक है, I am 5, मैं 5 number rank दा player है. You are number 4. I'll be challenging you in this tournament. कि suppose मोहन है, ये तो रोहन है, ये तो ABC है, ये तो DB है, ये तो ठीक है. These are the names. ठीक है, Rohan will be challenging Mohan. Rohan can't challenge TBC. Ladder means body by body, step by step. You can challenge Rohan can challenge Mohan. They'll compete with each other. Suppose badminton tournament is there. Rohan ने Mohan को हराता. Rohan has defeated Mohan, and Rohan will go to 4th position and Mohan will come to 5th position. फिर Rohan will challenge ABC, 3rd ranker. If he get defeated, then Mohan अपनी थां ते stable है, otherwise ABC थल्ले आ जाएगा. This is ladder tournament. Same it means one thing and is important is कि Rohan can't challenge TBC, first ranker player. Try to understand because आप पौड़ी चढ़ना है एक करके. This you can't challenge first number rank player. ठीक है जी. So this completes our combination. But in next topic I'll be explaining you knockout tournament ਉਹਦੇ fixture draw करने सिखाऊंगा. ते wait for that video. ठीक है जी. Thank you so much.